Kankubuze mche kyakujja mu comedy because ffe ku lafters twali tukunyumirwa.
Comedy, actually, this is what happened. Zokuyingira comedy. The journey yingira comedy, nali ku moves. Was one of the best students actually. Most people thought I would become like Nyakubanga CEO, MD wa company because I used to have the grades. So one day Nsinkana Mukebete, son of Mama Muke, twali ku moves eyo. Yali ayina project yali akola mu entrepreneurship class because he's a very enterprising guy by the way. Ali creative, ali enterprising. So yali akola product nga ali giformulatinga. Naye nze nali marketing class. Nga nze nva kuwangula sente mu marketers week. I had the best advert. My group had the best advert. So I was given money, tuition bichi, nakasenta kala. So he comes to me and tells me, nyambako nkolere presentation yegendo wangula kwa product njira ina product bayitanga mulondo sadida. Nga his idea was okwata omulondo aguteke mu liquid form. Aguguza abantu because the problem is abantu bagala okulya omulondo. But how do you get it mungeri eri consumable? So I remember in a laptop kali kakadde nnyo, so we met nze ndali nsobola okukola presentation bichi nembikola PowerPoint bichi nembimukolera, and luckily enough he also won the money. So I won the money in the marketers week nawangula sente mu entrepreneurship class. So ntandika okubanga tukwatagana. Then one day he tells me waliwo bagaya abakola comedy ku Centenary Park. Tuyiteyo okwo. But before also Mukebeta had come through, already nali bazo featuring mu stand-up comedy competitions. Bazitanga, which was called over M10, Mnet something. Aba Mnet bajja wano, mwalimu ba Salvador, ba Pablo, ba Omaranga. The first generation of comedy. Nali mu auditions ezo. So I didn't go beyond the group of 40, but Charlie Chanzibula of what comedy was. But I wasn't born until one ali comedian, ali funny, babichi. But when Mukebete now took me to those guys, bali bakolera ku FNDs, by then, baba itanga the crackers, ba Salvador bani, nga they are really funny. So the more we kept around them, netutandika okuyiga skills ezenjawulo. No yiga joke bagiwandika batya. How do you craft a joke? Ogiwandika otya okuva eno okugiza eno, ofuna otya high ne lows, ofuna otya punchline or creating otya punchline. So over time, kuba nabeera ndowooza omwaka mulamba mu bo, I learned how to write jokes. So when they denied us chance okubeera ku stage, ne tukola ekibiina ekyaffe bakitanga brainwash, tugende ku Sabrina's. So the more we were on stage, I was usually the MC. We started getting confidence, totandika okuyiga okubuilding a joke, okuba otya ekintu, tandika building a, you know, that kind of stuff. Then when Sabrina's tuvaayo nga bano bavudde ku FNDs kati bagenda ku Labonita ffe tudda ku FNDs. Then started growing mpola mpola. Kati ate ne ku Labonita ne baawukana. Ne bawa badda ku Lafters, abamu ne basigala ku Labonita. So kati nze Dolibonda nsanga awo n'antwala ku Lafters because nagendanga nnyo naye nga mukolera gig, nga tukola ffenna gig. But comedy namukola for a time. But waliwo ekintu nga tekyali kikyo. Nga it's not your kind of thing. Nga okikola nga abakola bayinza olowooza probably you're good at it but you don't feel like it's your thing. So nentuuka ekiseera nga comedy takyantambulira. One sente zaali nga ntono nga sirabayo nnyo kirooto kyange kyakuba mutwalo gwa $1 mu show ba eyebula
baawula nnyo.
Yes. Kugamba tewaliwo then ate nekiranga abamu bagamba toli fane. Guy nagamba toli fane. Waliwo guy yangamba nga toli fane. So the more they kept saying toli fane olumu, actually that was around 2015. Nali ntandise osoma my master's class. Kati my master's class ne bawako ekintu kye baatuyigiriza. Nti bw'obeera mu business, wetaaga either gigrowinga oba gikyusa. And they told us about business growth plans. One, either creating a new product for a new market, mu category yemu, oba a new market for the same product. Nenga mbanyi kyensobola okukola mu comedy, nenga nkikolera akatale akapya. What can I do that is different? Nenga kiri mu humor, nga kyakatale kapya, nenga oba nkolera abayindi nga ndala sijja bikola. Nga oba nkolera eki. Then one day mukunoonyereza nnyo gye ndabira ebintu by'abaana ne neebuuza naye ani akolera abaana comedy, who wakes up and makes kids laugh. So ne ngamba by the way no yinza okuba space yange. So that's how I live comedy, kati ne venturing mu kukola ebintu ebisanyusa abaana. Era natandika ne kye bayita magic comedy. Nengula kiti yange biki ne mbaako bagayi be na following awo nenda banga egaya jaawo ne baaga nakola obuntu awo abaana ne baseka naafuusa obutambala naafuusa bino naafuusa biri ne ngamba wano. So I gave it time tandika practicing a magic oyo over time nenfuna gigi yange yasooka. I think it was 20k. But like they said, the rest is nitandika okujja nga nkolera abalebaniizi nga teri kikomera wano kya muntu ayinamu ku ssente Kampala gye siyingidde. And the market was there. Nibatandika okunsaba ebintu ebirala nga gamba, when you're coming please bring us a bouncing castle, nga sigimanyi nenjiyiga. When you're coming please bring us a trampoline, nenjiyiga nenjitwala. And then it grew up to become a kids entertainment company. Kati neva ate ku level y'okukolera abaana batandika kati okumpa ate no nenfuna ate corporate companies ezaali zijja nti tukolere fund day. So that's how the business grew. Ate nejjange transforming mpola mpola. So that was my journey of how I left comedy. Went away from comedy. Then transitioning into something else. So nensalawo comedy munaabo mulundi gumu nkite concentrating ku ebyo. That's how I left comedy actually.
So Arthur, omuntu ali eyo akulaba kyogamba osobola okufuusa ekintu kyonna ekiri awo oba mulimu by'otasobolanga gwe?
Right now it's not something I do. Sikyasobola bikola. Plus it's an art. It's an art. Era ali appreciated by people who appreciate it. But na Kampala abawansi tebabitegeera by the way. Era nali sibikolera nnyo muntu. Wali tosobola akunsanga muntu wa wansi nga mukolera. It was a service abantu abali premium, abantu abali exposed mu Kampala muno. Gye bali basinga okwettanira. Era abaana b'omu international schools abo twasinganga okukolera ennyo. N'amaka agali civilized. They don't question, they enjoy. Omuntu wa wansi yagalanga nnyo okumanya alimba. So instead of enjoying the art, they wanted to know art abeera watya. So magic is an art. It's a very crafty art, but very, very interesting. Very interesting.
Besides okuwa sente ntono okubeera mu comedy, kintu ki ekyakunyiga n'ogamba obulamu bwange nze nga Sande tebusaana kubeera eno mu comedy?
I didn't see growth. Salabawo growth. Tunange kenyini talent nga njidouting eyange. I was a good MC. But bamaliachi bajja ngolaba maliachi nga akuba joko n'ogamba man, do I have that kind of, okuba comedy kweyo level? Yeah, self doubt yeyo. Then n'okuwuliza negative feedback of people telling you you're not tosesa kimala. Then n'okutunuulira industry, because you look at people abakirimu and you want to find somebody akoze omutwalo gwa $1 a week. Alex Muhanji wakakati was there back then. You see, comedy has grown over time, over a period of about 15 years. But Alex Salvador Badolibondo building a platform. They've built a whole thing. Whatever you're saying today, it has been work of people who have built it. But I'm looking at myself back then. Because Pablo was big and I was like, another flight zaliko zimutwalo kola international shows tezaliwo koshitegeera. So there was ngasina nyo inspiration ngamba ne wano kanfiirewo. Yali tanafuuka kyafuuse kati by then. So there was no inspiration. You see, when you don't see people shining in your field, you don't want to do that. Me I want money. So kiringa muntu kubeerawo ng'olina omulimu gw'okola, but nga mu gw'okola tolabawo bantu bagufuukiddemu bakabi. Like tewali muntu alina tangible results mu ekyo kintu. Why should I do that thing? Because you get my point. So ensonga teyali emu, but there were a variety of factors. Then too, when I tested money, ebintu ebirala byalimu easier nga tebiri appreciated. Ningane lwaki na time ndi ku stage ndi mukola ekiro saa 8 ogw'ekiro. Abantu abatamidde abatategera kyenkola ne bampa sente tolunga bwe ngenda somewhere obuntu akubera gamba hi, we have a party, can you please come through and blah blah blah. Nakubuza, so how much would the bill be? Nolowooza nti omusedde nnyo n'omugambo ojja kumpa $9 nagamba oh fantastic, please come tomorrow. And you're like okay, negirya mpa 9 mu comedy. teri ampa performance ya Sente because Sente zabanga ntono nogamba oh okay so you choose noga onosigena malira all time you choose you look at your cash cow marketing we call the cash cow you look at a star product or a cash cow you look at something that makes you money ngate idane potential kula something that has potential to grow ugamba wano but also Ugandans are funny people bana Uganda bolekera okola ekintu they assume you failed. When Peter Miles stopped singing, they assume he failed. He didn't fail. He just stopped doing music. He's into marine tourism. He's doing well probably there. It's possible. When I stopped doing comedy, some people kept telling me, Walemwa wagwa. In their mindset, that is the issue. People will tell you wagwa. Or you know, kuba ne strong will mumutima gamanti. That's what you think. Then what do I think me as Arthur? Even today, as I left radio, people are telling you you made a mistake, but you're not me. You don't know my plan, my direction, and such negative words usually get to us in our heads. They affected me at one point. You doubt yourself in the middle there, no gabane. Yes. So, but I made the transition ever more comedy. And it was paying for me. Nali solo kola gigi satunya on the weekend. Jene solo kola mu comedy.
Arthur, waliwo your moment nga mugenda up country but not up country yakutute akubuzeeko akulumye jokes stage ogivuddeko oli munyiivu moment eyo yali ekutuuse era yakutuukira kuwa?
No, they happen sagala gera mwezo details ebyo bikadde. Buli atansasula, buli yansasula ebyo bikadde. I can't bring them now. But all I say is zona zali lessons mu bulamu. I've learned from them. Right now sikyali guli bongaluli, you can't lie to, you can't deceive me. Tosobola kundeka kati mu kigali ng'onsuubiza I'm going to give you a name, I'm going to give you a platform. No. But there were lessons at that age naziyiga. But also twali tukola ku laughters. I can't complain. We're a bit organized. Yeah, bali batutwala by then. Bali organized. Yes, waliwo ebyasoba, but I think I would have done the same mistakes meanwhile. Yeah, I used to complain about those things, but right now I understand them because they were business people. They had challenges, and I really can't blame no one. It's an old story.
Abasinga mu entertainment business bagamba nti omuntu alemeddwa oba woba olemeddwa odda mu kutegeka shows because people bagamba nti Muhanji tali fane talina jokes z'amaanyi kyova olaba ategeka comedy store. Bright Onak naye takyali ku stage. Dolly Bondo same issue.
Mumanyi obwongo bw'abantu obunafu. It's a poor man's mindset. There's what we call comedy, but then there's the comedy business. There's music and the music business. But stakeholder mu business baba banji. So we all don't need to be funny. There must be a guy who understands the business of comedy. So Alex cannot be able to stand on stage and create, you people, creating a joke. Simuzanyo. Especially when you're stand-alone comedian. Twatulanga ntuwandika joke ne mujiri hasinga. Ezo z'oluzungu. No bagamba anebaga jiddemu. Now you go home and rehearse in the mirror. It's a job. Now nze ndaba nyozi duo. Sikuzalawa, but I find a duo as the laziest kind of comedy. Because mwango kola. Yogera njogere, twesekere akao, then tukube jokes awo. Bakosanya a lot of acting in ebisigade, and everyone is going for the duo. Tell somebody to go stand-up comedy, agende solo.
Gamba madrati genda wekka ku stage nga chiko taliko.
Yes, because stand-alone comedian, si changu. Ne duo si nyangu, but duo teri hard nnyo. It's not as hard as being a stand-alone comedian. Plus two, when you're a businessman, Alex Manji is handling the comedy business. He has a lot to think about. Media buying, okay, production year show, kusasula service provider, like everything is on him. Teba kulima nebo zimba comedy store anageja. The final man is Alex Muhanji. Everything still has to come back to him. He has to verify the tickets bantu bamukubira. Some people know him as a face. So what you need to choose is like, okay, what position do I take? Let me pull back and keba creative ba creating. Let me give the creatives a platform. Because yes, so when somebody chooses to do the comedy business, to direct and organize, abataleme dua. But mu industry you are choosing zemuka sport, ka niche, kasobolo satisfying. So Madrat and Chico, they are good creatives. But why is about good event organizers? So what they need to concentrate on is what they do best. Oba you get my point? So no concentrating a kwe your area jotegera, nuli komla nakole iye. When you combine those forces, comedy grows. So people abawoza gundi yagwa abate yagwa. No, I think omuntu agamba gundi yagwa, it's a shallow mindset. Oba tomanyi choyogerako. You don't know that industry.
Okay. Tugende ku kyaliwo omukebete yakuleeta mu business. Omukebete tumulaba ali creative nnyo naye akyagaanye okupenetrating okuyitawo ennyo buzibu kigwe bw'olaba waawo.
Sagala discussing mukebete. I want to discuss me. You said I want to discuss people.
Okay.